As a creator for the past several years, adding B-roll to videos has been a constant issue, whether I work alone or with an editor. And to explain the problem better, here I have the timeline of one video I created in the past. And this is a section with around 50 seconds, and it has lots of B-roll. And in this particular video, I selected 47 B-roll clips. And the process to create the B-roll list is something like this. I go through the script. Here I have an example of a section of a script. Then I look into the script segments that might deserve a B-roll. And here I underlined the selection I made for the video in the final version. And then I will go through my folders with the B-rolls. Here on the Beehive folder, I have 71 clips. And in general, I have several B-rolls for different tools and stuff I want to show, because most of the time I use personal B-rolls, personal or customized B-roll instead of stock footage. Then I would have to go through the B-rolls and scrub through the timeline. Here is an extreme example of going back and forth in the clip to see if I found what I want. Then the final result would be a B-roll list. Here is a real example. I have the timing where the B-roll will appear in the video, what it is and how many seconds I want. Then here I have the names. Another example, if I work with an editor, it would be a table like this with the script divided by sections and say what I want for the B-roll and the clip to use. So my solution for this problem was creating an app for finding B-rolls in seconds instead of spending several hours doing this myself. I created a few images to explain how the app works. So most of the files are on my machine or your machine if you use this app, and we will upload to Gemini because this is the LLM selected because of the context window. And it will give us back the video analysis in a text file. It is something like this. It has other stuff, but the main part is the timeline divided by what happens in the video from second 0 to second 4 and so on, explaining the video. This will be useful to save to the database and find the B-rolls faster. The next step is to chunk this timeline. So this means separating each timestamp, for example, from 0 to 4 seconds, the text from 4 seconds to 9, the next text. Each chunk will then be uploaded to OpenAI because it's one of the best models, and it will bring us back the embeddings. So this is a number representation of the text, and this will be saved in the database of our app. I will show an example of how the app looks. So here we have the file. So this is the main B-roll folder. Here I have the B-roll, Beehive B-rolls. Here is an example of a video with 35 seconds. This is the text analysis. And this is saved to the database. The next part is getting the B-roll suggestions, how it works. When we go to the video director feature, we select the script segment we want. Here you can see the selected script segment, and you enter the video topic, and then you say what B-roll you want. You explain it, and then the AI will find it. The end result is you get a list of B-rolls, and then when you save, you get the B-roll recommendations or the B-roll selections on the right panel and the associated script segment. As I work through the script, I can see the script segments that already have B-roll, and I can focus on other parts and spread it apart to look better. Again, looking in the app, in the video director, here on this previous script, I selected 3 B-rolls. And when you click, you can see the highlights of what is the B-roll. In this example, it is missing the video title because there was a bug when I was doing the demo, and I didn't bother to fix it because it was taking a bit of time analyzing the almost 70 videos that I did for the demo. So, in short, how much does it cost? For this demo, I analyzed 66 clips, which had 1 hour and 6 minutes of video, and the Google costs were almost $1, and OpenAI was 2 cents. So I think this is a very cost-effective way because the bulk of the expense was the Google AI Studio, and most of the requests and the token usage was on the video analysis. So we upload the video, Google does the analysis in the video and sends back the text. Because this is a one-time thing we have to do, the cost is not that much, because down the line the costs of using OpenAI are very small. So I think this is a very, very effective way of getting B-rolls faster than what I had in the past. The main scenarios where this app helps is with creators and editors that use mostly customized B-roll instead of stock footage, and also as a creator that works with an editor to reduce the back and forth explaining the B-roll list and the selection, so it should make the process faster and smoother for everybody else. Right now I am preparing the application for alpha release, so if you are interested, go to the website and join the waitlist. Thanks for watching.